Okay, let's get started. On the previous review session, I had two people, just like it is now, problems from chapters 8 and 9. Unless you guys have specific things you want me to go over, I want to start with problems with chapter 11. What do you guys say? How about you, Kaylee? I don't know if Kaylee can hear me. Yeah, I'm just trying to get to the chat. Some weird stuff happening. Okay, she says that's good too. That's all right. You don't have to talk. I have the chat open here if there's anything you want to say. All right, let's do some chapter 11 problems. Since I did quite a bit of them from this version, I'm going to use another version to do problems. Let's see. Let's start with some basic stuff. Let me see if this version of the book allows me to copy paste the text. No, let me try it again. Copy. No, it doesn't. So I'm going to have to take a picture of it. So let's do these four. For some reason, my system language ended up becoming Turkish. Actually, yeah, copy that and paste to make it a bit smaller. All right. Now let's do this. Determining portfolio weights. What are the portfolio weights for a portfolio that has 105 shares of stock A that sells for 64 per share and 115 that sells for 49 per share? Let me do it the pedestrian way first. Stock A, 185 shares times $64. Let me see. You got 11,840 invested in it. Stock B, 115 shares times 49. I don't know why it went there. No, for some reason it does that. Remember, weight, portfolio weight for any asset is dollar invested in that asset divided by total invested. So for stock A, we have 11,840 divided by 11,840 plus 56.35. 67.75%. You can do stock B analogously. 56.35 divided by. Of course, if you have only two stocks, if you get the weight of one of them, the other has to be one minus that one. You could also use the file we used in the class. Let me see. This is for a lot of different stuff, but in this case, I have 11,840. Actually, let me cut all of this. No, not cut, copy, paste. I'll change those. Let's go with this portfolio weights. That's supposed to be 0 as well. Again, my system is somehow in Turkish version. So 67,75 means 67.75. That's pretty much it. I mean, we could have also done the formulas here. 185 times 64. 115 times 49. And that's it. Okay. So whichever one is more convenient for you. Let's do the next one, portfolio expected return. Okay. We have, let's do this. 3140 in stock A. 43 in stock B. Those are the weights. They're given the expected returns of both 9% and 14. These are also inputs. And for the portfolio. Nice thing about portfolios, let me write it here in the notes. This is portfolio expected returns are weighted average of individual expected returns using portfolio weights, which means I'll do it both ways, but uh, we know the weights expected return of the portfolio is simply some product of the weights and expected returns. Oops. Yes, yes. I'm supposed to. What am I doing wrong? Let's do this. Come on. Okay. Copy. These are also calculated. So I'm going to provide this to you guys as an aid in doing the exam. And let's do it manually. Rate of A is equal to